This is a video about French polishing tabletop. What we have in previous videos was preparation, cleanup of tabletop, filling the cracks with shellac and earth pigment, adding just enough to fill the cracks, and day after what is today we sanded and making that ready for the final French polishing, what people see is the only process, but as you see is not preparation, is very serious to make a table smooth and nice. As you see, we took lot of shellac and the stain off, and now covering with the shellac, what will change the color you see slightly, and we hope that this will be nice looking tabletop. This will take probably another 2 days and drying in between and sanding again, making that smooth as much as we can. Table as a cherrywood with the beautiful history and the marks of using table through the many years, and we are now just helping the table to go on with life. This is the commode top, what we did the same way, filling the cracks, sanding and making ready for adding a final shellac coats because there are going to be many, more than 1,000, and coming to an end what will give us nice French polishing finish. Next step will be applying a shellac. Thank you for watching. This is now final step in French polishing the tabletop and commode. As you see, I have a cheesecloth, what is actually the cotton. I add shellac what I prepared, mixing that together nicely to have enough shellac all over the cloth, making nice and smooth as you can see like this, and going with the final process. Table is looking good with all these corrections we made with the shellac and the pigment, trying to help with the final equal uniform color on the tabletop. We go on with the shellac. In the process of shellacking, we need a lot of alcohol too. After some time of drying up, evaporating shellac, we need just to add alcohol to the cheesecloth. This is the alcohol, the spirit I use in the process. Going from the tabletop to the commode, I'm giving just enough time for the alcohol to evaporate to add next shellac coat. What is very important, the first coat dry enough, otherwise you will permanently take off coat what you just applied and will be never shellac enough. Experience is very important, and someone who have in the hands many projects like this can work in the same time different projects, as you can see, just moving from one to another, just applying shellac. As I told you already, shellac is not mystic beauty. Furniture or whatever you do should be prepared in the perfect condition, then shellac have a real actually sense of beauty on the top of existing beauty. Shellac is just protection coat. This is the way how we check if we have enough shellac and alcohol. If it's not enough, we just add a little bit of shellac. In this process, experience is very important. You have to try that to work and then collect your own experience that your hand will do most of the job. Because it's a special feeling, your hands are just going and doing the things. As you can see, no rush moving of your hand, and the shellac on the cloth should be friendly and slow enough, but not too slow. I think the tabletop is accepting the shellac in the right way. The final coat will be very good. We call that French polish. But now you know it's not just the end of the process, but it's all the way actually to make that happen. Preparation, knowing what you have to do, that later is not something what you were supposed to do on the beginning, because now it's too late. If you go with any intervention now, especially some sanding, you will make color spots, and it's better not to do that. Not too much alcohol, because you will melt and take off existing shellac already. motions of your hands are actually always in the circle, like this, because you have to move shellac left and right and cover that small cracks and imperfections in that motion. Well, thank you for following my works and watching this video. This tabletop I will work a little bit longer to make it perfect. For now, thank you very much and good luck for your video future projects. Thank you.